Once you have collected your water sample, bring back to the lab immediately to concentrate and preserve. First, get two 15 milliliter conical tubes and label them with your names, instructor name, section, and date you collected. Other information such as sample number may be beneficial to you. Using a transfer pipette, put 10 milliliters of water sample in each conical tube. Once you have done this, place in clinical centrifuge in balanced opposite position. Close and lock lid and set timer to 30 seconds. Allow the rotor to completely stop before opening lid. Do not stop the rotor with your hands. You could injure your finger. Once the rotor has stopped, take your tubes out and be careful not to disturb your sample. A pellet will begin to form at the bottom. With your transfer pipette, take out the top 7 milliliters of water. This water can go into a waste beaker, which will then be thrown down the sink after you've completed the process. Be sure to take the water off the top of the sample as shown in this picture. Once you have done this, refill your conical tubes back to 10 milliliters with your original water sample. Repeat the centrifuge step. Continue this process until you have concentrated all of your original water sample. Once you are done, you will want to prepare a wet mount to observe any motile organisms. To do this, use a transfer pipette to obtain some of the pellet that has formed at the bottom of the conical tube. Once you have looked for motile organisms, you have the option to continue counting and identifying your algae samples, or preserving the sample to work with later. An instructor or TA will carefully add 100 microliters of Algal solution to your sample. Store these samples in JBWN 222's refrigerator until you are ready to quantify your algae. Remember, you must process your sample within 72 hours